Una well done o. My name na Dr. Toyin. Today we go discuss wetin dem dey call hemorrhoids. Some people dey call dis thing piles. Dem dey also call am jedi-jedi. If you never subscribe to my channel, just pause am now, go subscribe before you continue to watch. You go ask say wetin be piles? Piles be say e get vessel for near the anus, e go come swell. Na im dem dey call hemorrhoids. We no dey know how many people dey get am for society because not be everybody dey talk. But some people wey don study am say up to 14% of the population fit get am. E dey affect man the same way e dey affect woman. And e dey affect those wey dey middle age more than anybody else. Wetin fit happen when make you go get these piles more? One, if you get wetin call constipation, when be say you go dey try to push when you wan poo. That one, because you dey strain, e fit cause the piles. Sometimes too, even belle or during childbirth, because the pressure within the belle don increase, that one fit cause piles. Sometimes if you dey cough well too, because the pressure inside the tummy dey much, e fit cause piles. Sometimes if exercise too much, e go fit cause piles. If you no dey chop better food, when be say e go make you dey go poo very well, that one too fit cause piles. Some people, e just dey their body when be say dem go just get the piles, no be say dem do anything. So how you go know if you get this pile? If maybe you wan go poo, you come see say blood dey, either for the tissue or you see am inside the toilet or on top of the poo, that one fit be hemorrhoids. Sometimes if around the anus e dey itch you, e fit be sign of piles too. Sometimes you go feel say near the anus dey very full, e fit be piles. Sometimes too, if the thing big well, e fit just dey there, then you go know say e dey. That one na piles. If you not sure, e better make you just go meet medical person, make e examine you well, make you know wetin dey happen. If you can't get these piles nko, wetin you go do? First of all, make you make sure say you no dey constipated, so you go eat better food, come drink water well so that you go fit dey poo well. If that one not help, you go fit go buy some things wey go help with the hemorrhoids. You fit get cream, or you fit get small tablet when dem dey call suppository, wey go fit help you. If the thing big well, sometimes maybe na surgery na im go help you deal with this problem. I hope say una enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch am again, share am with your friends. And until next time, make sure say you smile, because when you dey smile, e dey very healthy. Bye.